Hi everyone, and welcome to the Checkmk Cloud livestream. Checkmk 2.5 has been out for a few months now, bringing exciting new enhancements to Checkmk Cloud, our SaaS platform. Today, Christian Reiser and Max Linke will share what's new in Checkmk Cloud, walk you through a live demo, and answer your questions live. Thanks for joining us, and enjoy the livestream.
Great. So Checkmk itself comes in 4 editions. The first of the community edition. So this is our free open source edition, which is also for smaller setups. Then we have Pro and Ultimate. So these are commercial editions, which are targeted at, or which are self-hosted. So those are ideal if you want to have full control, if you want to run something yourself within your network or within your infrastructure. And then we have Checkmk Cloud, which is our fully managed SaaS offering. So going a little bit more into detail about Checkmk Cloud itself. So what does it provide you? It gives you unified visibility across your full stack. So basically it helps you to consolidate everything into one platform. So be it hardware, cloud workloads, Kubernetes, custom app metrics, and a lot of other things as well. And the advantage is really that we take care of constant patching, so we keep Checkmk up to date for you. We also look into capacity planning, so we make sure everything runs with enough compute resources. Also, if your workload increases or if you plan to extend your license, we automatically handle that on the infrastructure side. And we also make sure that you always get the newest features, you get the newest security fixes, the newest AI enhancements, and all of these things get rolled out to you automatically, so you don't need to do anything. And what's also really cool is that if you go into the product itself, we have a guided onboarding that really helps you get up to speed within minutes, so that you do not need to set up things. We really help you to get you up to speed quickly. And last but not least, so what's also always super important is security. So this is not an afterthought. This is really something that we actively take into consideration. For example, if you tackle new initiatives, then this is a key piece that we think about from the beginning before we build something. And basically what this means is that, for example, all of the traffic, be it agent bound or later on when we see the relay, is outbound only. So you never need to open up anything to the outside world. We use TLS encryption so that data is secured on transit. What's also important is that you can choose between US or EU region to host your site in. So this is specifically important for, if data residency is important for you. And we are supporting all of the standards and laws that are important. So GDPR, WCPA, ISO 27001, SOC 2. So this is Checkmk Cloud is compliant with all of those laws and standards. Then what makes Checkmk and Checkmk Cloud specifically stand out from in the market? So we really have a focus on hybrid coverage. So this includes everything on-premise as well as in the cloud. So as you can see, we really have a huge coverage. We have over 2,000 integrations. So this really helps you to cover everything that you need. So this is basically everything on-prem as well as in the cloud and everything in between. So if you have hybrid virtualization layers, for example, so this is also something that we cover. And what's also really special for us is that all of those integrations actually come with a predefined threshold. And this is not something that we think about or thought about ourselves. This really comes from over a decade of experience in the market, working together with customers, with partners, and figuring out then, okay, what are specific thresholds that that work well with specific integrations or check plugins. And what this means for you is that once you set up Checkmk, it already comes with those predefined defaults, threshold defaults, so that you don't need to start, fiddling around trying to figure out, okay, what are the correct thresholds. This automatically comes out of the box, and this is really a huge advantage. Then, what are we going to show today? So we picked 2 scenarios for today. One really represents a challenge that we hear from communicating with IT teams. The first demo shows you how you can bridge the gap between your local network and the Checkmk Cloud site running in the cloud. So how can you monitor devices and systems which are not accessible per se from the outside world? And in the second case, we show you how you can leverage Explain with AI to get a clearer understanding on, what is the root cause for certain alerts that you see, and also already provides you some actionable instructions so that you can start tackling and fixing those issues. So before we actually go into the demo, a couple of words on the relay. So what does it do? So mostly if you have tools, monitoring tools that are running in the cloud, there's usually an issue that they cannot easily access any type of resources which are running in your network. And this could be routers, switches, firewalls, those kind of things, which you do not monitor with an agent and which mostly speak SNMP. And usually this means that you somehow need to make them available to the outside world, and this comes with some security issues usually, so you don't really want to do that. And in order to tackle that, we built a new component which we called Relay. And Max is now going to demo how this works and how you can configure that in Checkmk.
Okay, so here we are at the Checkmk site that's running in our cloud, and we're going to configure a new relay. For this, we're going to go to Setup, look for the relays, and now we're going to add a new relay configuration. Here we have a guided setup that tells you the exact steps that you have to do to set up your relay. So we're going to start with downloading our install script. I'm going to go to a machine I have at home. Download that. Now we're going to look for name. This machine is in my own home office, so we're going to name it home office. Now, the next step is it reminds you to install Podman. We run the relay container via Podman. I have already installed Podman, so I can skip this step. And now we can start the installation. We generate a token, and it gives us the install script command, where we say, hey, this is the version we want, this is the target server, the site, and our token to sign in. Now I go again back to my machine. Yes, allowed to run this. Install. Now it sets up Podman, downloads the images, and will register the relay. That will take a small moment. And we're already done. So I can be back in Checkmk, go to the next steps, and we have the relay registered. I can go to our overview, see it's here, my home office relay. You can also change it, you can change the name, we can change the number of fetchers that you have, like for Checkmk, and now we can set up a host on it. So we go to hosts, I have a little folder here where we set up already everything, and I want to monitor the NAS I have at home. So that's going to be reachable under nas.home.arpa. I want to monitor it at my home office. Yes, I have SNMP. No, we don't want any Checkmk integration. And I'm gonna, which one? Yeah, that one. Just enter my credentials. Okay, if I can type my password correctly, we should be able to discover services now. take a moment for the relay to pick that up. Just have to rescan once. And then everything should be there. Yeah, and there we have it. I can accept my changes. I can activate them. What happens now in the background? Checkmk will prepare the configuration for the relay, and the relay will pick it up by itself. And now we can go. Where is it? Yeah, there's my NAS. I can go here, and I know these are all the services, my hard drives, and what also works like you would expect. You can also reschedule it. Check. This will tell the relay, hey, please check it now already. You can see service was checked 2 seconds ago. And that's about most that you will need to use for the relay. You can set it up once. At this point now, it will auto-update itself with Checkmk, and you can just add hosts to monitor like you would do with any other host, any other site. Now, let's go over to the second use case that we have. We have another service here, Web Prod 3. This is a production service that runs a critical application for your company. And you can now look at that, and it seems to be there are a lot of failures. We see application health, the circuit breaker, LDAP is having problems, Postgres is having problems. Where would you even start on this? What we can do now is just use our new Explain with AI button. We can click on it. We get information about, hey, this is what's up with the host, this is the service, what's going on. The AI can now start, get additional information if it wants to, and starts to give you a condensed view of, hey, this is what might be going on, and these are some first steps that you could take. Takes a moment before it has everything that it needs. Yeah, and here we see we get a summary, circuit breakers and critical state. We see what's the failure, and we also have some recommended actions that we could do to see if we can get everything back up and running. And that would be it for the demo parts.
All right, so thanks for the demo, Max. So a couple of additional words to explain with AI. Why is this specifically valuable for you? So think about, for example, if you have a more junior colleague that is in charge or recognizes a certain alert, then this feature is specifically valuable because it already conveys some information about how critical it potentially is, and also already provides some information on how you can potentially address certain issues. So this is where it really is most valuable, and where it really shines. So with that, I want to transition over to explain you also a couple of commercial information about Checkmk Cloud. So it's basically 3 different things that I would want to highlight. So first of all, we're offering different types of contracts. So we offer manual contracts, which are, monthly contracts, which are super flexible. So for example, if you say you want to evaluate a product much longer or a little bit longer than the 30-day trial period, that might be an option for you. The contract is super flexible, so you can extend it at any point in time. You can also terminate if you wish, so by the end of the month. So there's really not a huge commitment, and also in terms of service limits, it's really granular. So as you, so you can almost scale it exactly to the number of services that you need. If you're already committed and you say, yeah, Checkmk Cloud is totally the product for me, then the annual contract is probably more for you. The advantage there is also that it gives you a clear cost anchor. So you can really calculate for your budget cycle, for example, for your annual budget cycle, you know how much you will spend by the end of the year. So this really gives you clear numbers to plan with. Then secondly, Checkmk also includes custom metrics, so that help you to monitor, for example, application loads, or for example, troubleshoot failures in your applications. So we're transmitting application metrics via OTel into the product, and therefore we have extended our commercial model a little bit. So there's now also custom metrics, and the idea here is that we want to prevent you from unexpected costs, as you might sometimes see with some other products in the market. So we really have some really granular time frames that we look at. So we look at, for example, each 20 minutes, we calculate how many custom metrics you have used. So for example, if you have some peaks because you want to troubleshoot something, you want to debug your application, and that just generates a spike in custom metrics, then basically we only count them in 20-minute intervals. And once you shut them down, then we will not count those anymore. And then basically this temporarily shorter load will not affect your overall bill all that much. And then third of all, we also have professional support bundled in. The subscription comes with 10 hours and 5 days a week support. We also have a commitment that we respond to very critical issues within 4 hours. So if that's interesting for you, please feel free to go at checkmk.com, look at the commercial terms, or look at what we're offering. Also, if you're looking for a more specific quote because you have certain requirements, then feel free also to reach out to our sales. That's also easily accessible via the website. And now it's time for Q&A.
So yes, we do want to include log monitoring in the future. Right now, this is not included in Checkmk Cloud, but you should look out for what we have updated in the conference, where we'll talk about more detail what's going to come for Checkmk in the next year and in the future. And yeah.
What's left to say is that before we completely switch off or sign off, we want to invite you to try out Checkmk Cloud yourself. So this is actually very easy. Either you visit a website, so there's a lot of CTAs there. There's also a product-specific page where you can also read up a little bit more than what we just explained. If you want to directly start it, please go to admin.checkmk.cloud. There's also, as mentioned, an onboarding guide in the product itself that helps you get going super fast. We also have an onboarding guide in our user guidance, which is accessible via docs.checkmk.com. Additional questions you can also address in the forum. So that's also always possible. I think there's also a specific cloud section where you can ask cloud-specific questions or share your experiences also with other users. Thanks for joining. Have a great day and happy monitoring.